The Honor Magic 2 was just announced and it brings 6 cameras. Yes, 6 cameras. If you have an Apple Watch Series 4, do not update unless you want to make your watch unusable. And Samsung just trademarked a new infinity display name that might come to the foldable Galaxy X. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I was supposed to wear a costume today, and it turns out that because it's green, I didn't want to play the Invisible Man. Happy Halloween, guys. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with product announcements, as Nubia has just announced the Nubia X, and I love the comments today where everybody's like, oh my god, you just launched the video that says the most interesting phone of the year, and now we've got the Nubia X. Why is it interesting? There's no notch, and it's got 2 screens, 2 full-blown colored AMOLED screens on each side, good specifications. It's most probably not going to leave China, but you can learn more about it in the description. Now let's talk about Apple, as the company has just launched iOS 12.1, which has a major improvement when it comes to iPhones. First of all, you get multiple FaceTime for different people, up to 32 people, I believe. And then the other is that those of you interested in getting dual SIM capabilities, this firmware update enables it. You know what the problem is? The carriers like Verizon and T-Mobile are apparently never going to support it, and AT&T is waiting on I don't know what. So dual SIM iPhones that won't work. That's what you get now. And guess what is another thing that's not going to work? watchOS 5.1 on the Apple Watch Series 4 is apparently rendering watches useless, and that's one of the main reasons why I wait for software updates, particularly, I'm not using the Apple Watch, but with the Apple Watch. So yeah, make sure you do not update your watch just yet. Apple apparently pulled everything, and they're working on a fix. So for those of you that are having issues, visit your local Apple store. Now let's talk about Samsung, as we are literally just a couple of days away from the company's developer conference, where we're expecting to see the foldable Galaxy S line. And yes, there is a new infinity display patent out there and trademark, the Infinity V, and well, if the product is going to fold like this and that, then it makes all the sense in the world for it to be called the Infinity V. Whether we're going to see it or not at this event is hard to predict, but we'll keep you posted. And finally, the hottest news today has to do with the Honor Magic 2. Well, mainly because it was teased at an event months ago. Now we finally get to see it. We've got a sliding mechanism for 6 cameras. 3 at the front, 1 being the camera and the other being 2 depth sensors to a certain degree, and then the other 3 with different functionality, including a monochrome camera, etc., etc. That's all fine and dandy. Specifications, Kirin 980 processor, and just about all the bells and whistles of a true flagship. You know what's not of a true flagship? The fact that the retail price being teased is somewhere around $550. That's insane. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about the Honor Magic? I mean, yes, definitely Honor to a certain degree is part of Huawei, but I love how they've pulled in their own identity completely ever since the Honor 8. I'm really looking forward to this product, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.